Yo, what's up everybody, Dragon Campers here. Today we are going to be replacing these ugly white mirrors that I decided to paint and regret it. You can tell all the rock chips and bugs and all that yummy stuff that you can never get off all the way. I'm going to do a quick how-to on to replace these. It's fairly easy, shouldn't take long at all. So I just got these bad boys in today. I was supposed to be making a delivery today, but my truck decided to throw the EGR code, so that means that I'll probably be getting a delete in the very near. Alright, first things first is you're going to want to remove the door panel. I know you may think why, but there's also two connectors, and you've got 6 of these running all the way around the door panel. It is a T20 Torx bit. And then also there is a screw right here on the door handle. You'll just want to unscrew that as well. And you've got this other little plastic trim piece right here, and that just pops right off. Now that that is off, you've got these 3 10mm nuts that you want to take off, and then you'll pop off the door panel and unplug the 2 connectors. And once you pop your door panel off, you got the 2 connectors right here. There. And you just undo that, unpop it from there, and then the mirror should be free, and then you'll install it and just do everything reverse wise. Here's the final product. This screw right here, I'm gonna have to get a little Dremel tool and cut that because it's running up against there. It makes the door kind of tricky to open and close. But other than that, I mean, it shuts and opens, so. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching.